We at VAT19 like to think of our store as a shopping playground, not only for kids, but for kids at heart too. And we're here at Extreme Sandbox in Minnesota for a literal playground for adults.
Yeah, welcome to Extreme Sandbox. Tune in to the very end so you can have the chance to win a free trip to come play at our sandbox.
Awesome, all right, let's go. Oh dear.
There's a lot of dirt. Oh, satisfying. All right, I'm gonna try to hit this beach ball with the excavator. My goal is to get it over Jamie, hit the van, hole in one. Fireworks are gonna go off, I assume. Hopefully got those rigged up. All right, here we go. Buckle them up, cowboys. Yeah! Jamie corralled it. Here we go. There's a can. Whack! Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Get him! Get him! Oh, nailed him. Swinging through. Get it! Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Chase it down, Jay. Oh, yeah, the rodeo clown out there.
Okay, now! Oh, that's two. Oh, that's three! Yeah, baby!
All right, what's next, fellas?
We're gonna break stuff.
Zombie gnome. All right, Kara.
Here we go.
Oh, he's maimed. Oh, no, his carcass.
There you go, Eric.
Go, go, go.
I think his arm's gonna go first.
Oh!
Oh, his legs. Like it's just a pair of feet.
Two little baby feet.
That's very sad and morbid.
Do it.
Pull apart. Let it rip.
Let it rip.
Literally.
Oh, it's
Don't breathe it in. Let's rip it, boys.
Get it. Oh. Right in the
Oh.
center.
Oh.
Oh, it's stretching.
Oh, I'm scared now.
That was.
Look at that little
stretched
white thing
really
that
far.
fell. It has been birthed.
Oh gosh.
All right, we have rigged up the most heavy-duty dunk tank of all time. 400 gallons of water in that top loader above Jamie. And we got the excavator up high with a target on it, which I have to hit to activate the gallons and gallons of water to be dumped on Jamie. All right, Jamie, ready to get soaked?
You're gonna miss.
Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
No.
Yeah! That looked intense.
These are the only shoes I brought. If you're looking for a fun gift, dig up something awesome at VAT 19. And if you're looking for a fun time, check out Extreme Sandbox. Seriously, without these guys, this video would not have been possible. They're inviting everybody to come and play with their heavy equipment for an awesome experience giveaway. Just check out extremesandbox.com/VAT19 for all the details. They got free airfare and lodging for up to 2 people. This is an opportunity you do not want to miss. And as always, check out VAT19.com for an exclusive behind the scenes video.
VAT19.com